Hello student, today our topic related with wise use of natural resources. In wiser use of natural resources, we discuss fossil fuels, and in fossil fuels we discuss coal. First of all, what is fossil fuels? Fossil fuel is the natural resources which we obtain from the which is formed from dead remain of plants and animals buried long ago. Main fossil fuels are coal, petroleum and natural gases, and it is a very slow process. It takes near about the millions of years. Now the first fossil fuel is coal. Coal is formed deep inside the earth crust in coal mines. It is formed basically by decomposition of dead trees and vegetable matter that is very deep under the earth with high pressure, temperature and aerobic condition. A coal mainly contains carbon. Now the term carbonization. Carbonization. Carbonization is basically the slow conversion of wood into charcoal, and it takes near about millions of years. Carbonization is the process in which slow conversion of wood takes place and the wood is converted into coal, and it takes near about millions of years. Depending upon the percentage of carbon in coal, it is classified into four types, or we can say that coal is of four types. Types of coals. Number one, type of coals, anthracite, A-N-T-H, A-N-T-H-R-A-C-I-T-E, anthracite. It is about 65% carbon, it is about 96% of carbon. It is used for heating as a fuel for the surface engine and for the blast furnace. Anthracite, this is a good quality, we can say that the best quality of the coal, and it contains near about the 96% of carbon, and it is used in blast furnace. Second is the bituminous. In the bituminous coal, it contains near about the 65% of carbon. It is also known as black lignite. It is known as black lignite. And the third is lignite. And third is lignite. Near about percentage of carbon in lignite is 38%, and it is used for power generation as well as industrial fuel. And the last one is peat. And last one is peat. It is the lowest in peat is percentage of carbon is very poor. It is used as an industrial fuel. Basically, four types of the coal. One is anthracite, bituminous, lignite and peat. In anthracite, 95% of carbon is present. In bituminous, near about 65% of carbon is present. And in the lignite, there is near about 35% of carbon is present. And the peat is the lowest percent. In peat, lowest percentage of carbon is there, and it is used basically in industrial fuel. Now, by the destructive distillation of coal, coke, coal gas, carbon, coal tar, ammonia liquor and coal oil are obtained. By the destructive distillation of coal, some commercial products are obtained, which is coke, coal gas, carbon, coal gas, gas carbon, as well as coal tar, ammonia liquor and coal oil, etc. Now the coke. Coke is a fuel. Coke, which we obtain by the destructive distillation of the coal. Coke is a fuel which is used in industries, factories and in metallurgical process. In metallurgical process means basically by separation of ore into metal, by conversion of ore into a metal is known as metallurgy, and in this process we are using coke. Basically it is in large scale, it is used in the extraction of the metal from their ores, and it is used for making fuel gases like water gases, which is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. The water gas is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Water gas is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen, and we are using coke in the manufacture of water gases. Now the coal tar. Coal tar is a dark, thick, viscous liquid, and it is a mixture of different carbon compounds. It is used to make soap, dyes, plastic, perfumes, etc. Coal gas, also known as town gas. Next is the coal gas. Coal gas, it is also known as town gas. Coal gas, it is also known as town gas. This is a mixture of hydrogen, methane and carbon monoxide, which are combustible, making the coal gas as an excellent fuel. In the next class, we discuss more about this chapter. Thank you.